72 LJ GTR XU1 that's had a full respray and a lot of work done to it, but I'm actually going to be doing a reasonable amount of work to it just to take some things back to standard. So it was built in May 1972. No, it's not a Bathurst one, but it's a original LJ matching numbers and the bodywork was done by Southern Classics here in Adelaide. So beautiful paintwork, even though it's a bit dusty at the moment. You'll get to see there's no orange peel. It's just a really good job done on that. So what am I doing to this car? I'm not doing a massive amount of work, but I'm doing some work that needs to be done to it just to get it back to a sense of originality, as opposed to having all of these chrome lines, chromed linkages for your accelerator, and probably do some work around the heater box and the master cylinder as well, and get rid of the chrome brace. So let's just tidy it up just a little bit, but that'll only be probably half a day's work, not even that. And I will show you the after of this shortly. But look, just a bit more about the car. It's in great original condition. It drives really well, and it's got a very grumpy JP engine in it, 202. And I've just done some work on the other side there, so I've just got to put the door trimmers back on. But I'll show you as I go through the car just some of the things that are coming off and then what's going to go back in. This is everything that's now come out of the LJ GTR XU1, which was, I don't know, it's chrome back in the day, I guess. It was a bit of an older restoration, but there's a lot of stuff in here. Look, obviously these are still staying the same, but they'll get re-chromed, but all of this stuff here will get stripped and taken back to its original finish. That'll be like a re-zinc pass. There's also gold zinc that's going to need to be done on, for example, this one here. And just take everything back to how it looked from the factory. Replacing the big nut master cylinder as well. This one's seen better days, and so have the brake lines as well. They're just, as part of the older resto, they weren't replaced, so just working my way through those. Got to replace the choke cables as well, because the one that was in there, they sort of looked pretty ordinary, but actually what happened, the reason why it came to me is because the choke pipes are actually stuck on an actual choke mechanism. So one of the reasons is because of how badly bent this is here. So I need to do some work on it. I've also got a new setup, which is here, and that'll be going back in the car. So yeah, just basically just doing things that need to be done to it to tidy it all up and get it right. I'm also going to replace all of your brackets and clamps and pretty much anything else that you see here that's not right. That wasn't chromed from the factory, so we'll get that changed out. Just work my way through the car to get it back to as close to looking as factory as possible. It still won't be exact, but it'll be a heck of a lot better than what you originally saw. I have to straighten this one back out, but if you see how bent it is, how much crap's on it, that's why it doesn't work properly. This is specifically bent there. So anyway, I'll try and straighten this out and get it back in. Beautiful.